Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Carmen with Elemental Designs. And guess what, you guys? We are here for the winner. Yay! We're here to announce the winner. So you guys, I had a total of 19 beautiful, wonderful entries into my Lace 2K challenge. I want to give a special shout out to all of you ladies. We had Lisa, Melissa, Isabel, Jamilani, Teresa, Linda, Anycraft Anytime, Mom to Create, Tanya, Lisette, Nada, Marty, Bridget, Linda Hanson, Cece's Creations, Angela, Sharon, Crafty Cat, and Deb Hawk. So thank you ladies so much. You guys hold a special place in my heart because you all participated in my challenge, and I want to just say thank you so much for that. It really does mean a lot to me that you took the time to create these beautiful pieces for me, things that not only would I cherish, but I'll also be able to use in my arts and my crafts moving forward. Pieces that inspire me and motivate me to keep creating and keep doing what I am doing. So I want to say thank you so much for that. And pretty much what I have done is I've pretty much added all of your points, and I've allotted you a number. We have from 1 to 263 is the points that I've allotted here. And I gave you points for VRs, for your VR if they were done between a certain time frame. Also for your lace, you got 5 points. Your tags, you got 3 points. And also for new subscribers, you got an additional point for each subscriber. Plus, if they entered into my challenge, then you got an additional point for their entry as well. So yay for that. So we have new subscribers. We have 1 that came over from Lisa's channel. We have 2 that came over from Melissa's Nails and Clicks, and those 2 ladies also participated, so thank you so much for that as well. And then we also got a new subscriber that came over from Mom to Create, who's Janet. So thank you so much for that. And we have 8 VRs, so you also got additional points for those VRs, you guys. And I pretty much wrote down what the amount of pieces that everybody sent, and I tallied those numbers up right here on the side. And so, as you guys know, the price is $25 into your PayPal. You must have a PayPal to receive the cash prize. And if you're international, it'll be $35 in cash prize into your PayPal. In the addition, for the US, anybody that wins in the US, since I love creating lapbooks so much, and it's something that I pretty much started doing the beginning of this year. It's been like a little passion of mine that's been kind of growing. I also decided to add a custom-made lapbook for the US subscribers. Now you also have the addition of choosing from the 2 that I have already made, or you can have me make a custom-made one. Again, this is something that I love doing, so please don't feel that you have to choose from the 2 that I have. You're not really saving me any work. It's something that I would normally do anyway, just because I love to create them. So if you're not interested in these, that's quite alright. But these are the 2 styles that I will be making your lapbook in. You just have to let me know which style you like. And I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. So if you want to check out these lapbooks in their full detail, then please go and check out those 2 links so that you can let me know which one of the 2 you like, which styles you like, and then we can proceed from there. You will have 24 hours to notify me that you're interested, that you've watched the video in its entirety, and also send me an email. So I need you to comment and email in order to be a positive confirmation that you've watched the video. And I will need your PayPal information and your home address so that once I get your lapbook ready, I can ship that out to you. I will just need a little bit of time, maybe a couple weeks or so, just to create them and get them ready and shipped out for you. However, your cash prize will be put into your PayPal as soon as I receive your confirmation, again, comments and email. So I will leave the links to both of these. So you have the compact journal style, and then you have the official kind of lapbook style. So these are the 2 options and styles. And then you can let me know which one suits your need, and I will get that going for you. So you guys, I've downloaded a random number generator. Alright, so let's open up this app, and let's change this number to 263. Hit the back button and let's hit generate. 182 is Linda Hanson. Yay, Linda, you won! Oh my god, I'm so excited! I can't believe it! Oh my god, this is so cool! Yes, Linda, you won, darling. I'm gonna need you to comment in the comment section down below, and I'm gonna mark you down as my winner. And I will put a PayPal donation, well, PayPal prize into your PayPal. Let me know. Linda is from overseas, so I have an international subscriber that won. So yay, you guys, super, super, super excited. Thank you so much, Linda, for entering my challenge. You have been an awesome supporter of my channel for quite some time, you guys. And I'm just super excited. I'm so happy that you're making videos now. Yay for you. So thank you so much, darling. You've been super awesome. And yes, you guys, thank you so much for participating in my channel, in my challenge, and just everything that I do. I so greatly appreciate you. Have an awesome day. And Linda, I hope to hear from you soon. 24 hours, please, darling. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Have an awesome day. Bye.